It's been raining for like 2 days straight.
What's up, guys? I'm Sebastian. I live in my 1985 Volkswagen Vanagon full-time. Right now we're out here in Wyoming and I met up with a friend. That's Nico. He lives in his car.
Yeah, we live in my Tesla Model Y.
He actually lives in it. It's pretty sweet. Not so much going on today. Just a little roadside pull out here in just outside of Jackson, Wyoming, in the Grand Teton National Park. The fall colors are starting to pop off.
Man, you want to check out my Tesla? Yo, what's going on, guys? My name is Nico. I live inside a Tesla Model Y, full electric, no gas. Give you guys a tour right here. So right here we have the bed. We got about a 4-inch mattress from Amazon. It's like super foamy, so it's really comfortable. But I got this bed frame set up by Paraglide. We got these slide out drawers. And what's cool about this guy is once you pop it up, you got these drawers right here. And you have a full electric fridge, so no ice needed. Keeps it at 32 degrees Fahrenheit, so I ain't gotta worry about any ice. What's cool about this drawer, got the propane stove right here, carbon monoxide alarm, got some oatmeal, peanut butter. Everything I need is right here in the drawer system. Basically, I slide it in, and then I take this down. I live in this full time. I'm a full-time YouTuber as well. We got the cool sunroof right there. You can take a look. So it's a full glass roof. And then we also have Starlink hooked up. So basically I have internet all the time, and it's hooked up to an external battery pack, the EcoFlow. Let me take y'all to the front of the car, because I ain't got no engine, and I charge for free. I don't pay any travel expenses, so I don't have any electricity cost. Here is my closet. I got my shirts, my sweater, my socks all in here, and no engine, so I even have like a jack, just in case I get a flat tire. Lots of space, lots of room. Living this full time, so thank you for checking out the Tesla Model Y.
Check out his travels.
You can check out my YouTube channel. It's gonna be Nico Murillo, or you can go on Instagram. It's travelwith.nico.
I'll leave all that in the description below, so you can go and check his channel out, and he's got some really good content. A lot coming out too, because he's been hanging around Jackson and the Tetons just like me for the past couple weeks now, and he has no plan on leaving for the next, what, 2 or 3 weeks?
Yep. So we're gonna be here all the time, just traveling and checking out the views.
Unfortunately today we don't have the best views, but they come, they go. The horses are out and the trees are turning a beautiful yellow color, which I'm stoked about. And I'm sure you're stoked about it too.
Hell yeah.
Not excited for the cold weather. Once the weather does clear out a little bit, we're gonna have a fresh blanket of snow on the Teton range, and with all these colorful trees, I'm just so excited for what's to come. Until then, we're gonna just bum around here for the next couple of days, wait for the weather to get better, and see where it goes from there. So this morning, the conditions are working in our favor. So check it out, guys. We've got the river running. It's a glassy river here with the fall foliage. And then just peeking through is the Teton Mountain Range in the background. That's Grand Teton just right there. Could really put this on the tripod, but I think this is gonna work out just fine. I keep it steady enough. Focus on the center there. So waking up early was definitely the move. The conditions are insane. Check this out. So now what we have here is the moon, the sunrise on the mountain peaks, and just check out these pictures. It looks like we got so lucky, because that spot over there is just engulfed in fog, and we have this view, and right now the clouds are coming in. It's about to be covered up completely once again, like it has been for the past 2 days. And just like that, we're done. All right, that's a wrap for the photography for this morning. And now we're gonna hustle on over to do for another little adventure. Well, you know what they say, when the conditions are good, they're great. When they're not, they're not. I'm waiting up for for Nico. He's driving the gnarly dirt road in his Tesla, but I think he'll be fine. Fog has really set in now. Looks like it's just clearing out, but gotta take it slow on these roads. I don't want to hit any of the locals. Yeah.
I'm not too much of a climber, so.
Neither am I. Made it to the spot. Luke is setting up to go fly right now. I'm gonna give it another couple minutes because I want to be able to see where I'm gonna land, not in the ocean of clouds that we're blessed with this morning. And then Nico's gonna hike down.
Yeah, it's got a long trip down, so we're gonna try our best.
That's what I'm saying. If you want, you can literally just walk straight like these streets.
The inversion cleared up, so we just flew down, Luke and I. Nico's hiking down right now. I was gonna record the flight, but this is a new spot for me, so I did not. Just wanted to focus on flying from the top to the bottom. And hopefully Nico got some cool footage of me launching. I'll show you guys what that looks like. Nico made it in one piece.
Yeah.
He made it down. I flew down, he walked, and not too sure what to do now. We got quite a lot done today. Unfortunately, I have to leave in about an hour. I'm flying down to Austin to go to a friend's wedding, and I'll be back here in the next couple days, hopefully in the next couple days, so I could capture this fall foliage that's going on right behind me. You see the freshly covered snowy mountains there that we were photographing this morning. The conditions are finally, they're here. So with that being said, thanks for watching. Give this video a like if you liked it, and hit the subscribe button if you want some more, and I'll see you guys next Sunday.